Here you see a wild pear, and here you see a wild pear who has been grafted with an apple. Why do we do this? Because the wild pear, it doesn't need any irrigation. He is really adapted to this kind of climate. He doesn't need any extra water. He's strong. He's doing really well. And if you want a fruit tree like an apple, and you want it on a base that is really strong and doesn't need a lot of extra water, you grafted them on a wild pear because it's from the same kind of family. And then the apple, this one, never had any water, extra water, not even in summer. So you see that because he used the roots from the wild pear, and you see he's doing really well. And this is a kind of method that I have to learn more about it. I don't know exactly how to do it. We did it, I think now 40 times, and some of them are doing well, some of them are not so good. So that's one of the things I really want to learn for the future, to get more use of these kind of trees, so that you can have again more differentiation in the trees that you have here around. And this is a practice that especially the old people here in this area, they can do it really well. They make a cut in here, they put a branch of the apple in here, then they put mud on top of it, they put a little piece of cloth around it so it doesn't dry out. No artificial things, no chemicals, nothing, mud, cloth and a branch, and it works. It's unbelievable, they are so good in it. So that's really something I need to learn more about.